Welcome to 2639 East Bell Avenue in Bell, Florida. This is not your typical residential property. Located on 70 acres, is totally fenced with 3 separate pastures for cattle or horses, is a 2-mile dirt bike track with over 30 jumps. Get ready. The fun doesn't stop here. There's also a half-pipe skateboard ramp built under a garage, professionally designed BMX track, basketball court, and much more. Now, back to the residential part of the property. Built in 2004, the concrete home has over 3,000 square feet of living space. Inside are cathedral ceilings and a very open family room with a stone fireplace. The eat-in kitchen is large, with 2 skylights, open to the family room with plenty of counter and cabinet space. The master suite is huge, with a large walk-in closet and extra toilet. This home has a split-bedroom floor plan, with a total of 4 bedrooms with an optional 5th bedroom, 3 full bathrooms, and 1 half bathroom. Outside is a screened-in pool with a rock waterfall and a water slide. This house is wired for surround sound inside and out. Overlooking the property is a deck with an optional hot tub. Full of character and activity, this property is sure to provide all the space you'll ever need, with a total of 4 carports, a 64-foot-long bike shed, boat shed, and a 10,000 square foot barn with lots of open space. And there's more. An optional train caboose built in 1974, and a 77-foot passenger car with a full shower, restrooms, and 2 offices. As you can see, not only is this a kids' play haven, this unique property has plenty of fun for the whole family. For more information on this amazing property, call Brad Smith at 352-221-5256.